Now we will try to solve problem 8, that is 3 into 2 minus x strictly greater than 2 into 3 plus x, and we need to now first multiply this constant 3 inside the bracket, and similarly on the right side we have constant number 2. We will multiply inside the brackets. So from here we will get 3 into 2 negative 3 into x strictly greater than 2 into 3 and plus 2 into x, and what we get from here 6 minus 3x strictly greater than 6 plus 2x. Now here we can see that on each side of the inequality we have the 6, so we can cancel out. So what we need to do, we can add this on both sides and it will be cancelled out. So I will not going to do that. So that's easy and understandable. And now we will left with 3x is strictly greater than 2x. Now what we need to do, we need to solve this inequality for the variable x. So we will shift that to the left side. So we will subtract on both sides of the inequality negative 2x. From here it will be cancelled out and we will left with negative 3x negative 2x minus 2x greater than 0. So from here what we will get, here we will have 5x, so that would be a negative 5x greater than 0. Now from here, as we need to solve this for the variable x, we also need to remove this negative 5, and for that we will multiply that divide by that inequality on both sides by negative 5. So when we will divide by negative number on both sides of the inequality, so it was the rule for the inequality that if a is less than b, this implies that negative a will be greater than negative b. So we will, when we will multiply or divide by a negative number, we will reverse the inequality. So here we need to reverse the inequality because of this negative sign, and now we will left with x is strictly less than 0. So this would be the solution of the above inequality, or in alternate way you can write it negative x, because here you can see that all x's will be the solution of that inequality which are less than, strictly less than 0 till the infinity. So here we will use the lower bound will be negative infinity, and here we will have the 0. So it is open interval, because here we have strictly less than, so this 0 is not included in the solution. And how we can represent it on the number line, so here for example here we have the origin 0, so the solution will be this one, and here we make a hole because the 0 itself is not included in the interval. Here we have the open bracket, here we have the strictly greater than 0, this x less than 0, so that's why we will make a hole here, and this means this 0 is not included in the interval. So this would be the solution for that inequality. If we substitute any of the number from this interval into this inequality, it will must satisfy the inequality.